In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block one day in Outlook calendar. If you need to protect a full day for deep work, travel, or personal time, the simplest method is to create one all-day event that marks you as unavailable. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, and it works the same with personal Outlook.com accounts and work or school Microsoft 365 accounts. First, open Outlook on the web. Go to Outlook.com or visit Office.com and choose Outlook from the app launcher. Once you're in your inbox, switch to your schedule by selecting the calendar icon on the left. At the top, you can toggle between day, week, and month views. Use the mini calendar on the left to jump to the exact date you want to block so you're looking at the right day before you create the hold. Now create the event. Select New Event at the top of the calendar to open the event panel. Give it a clear title so others know not to book over it. Something like Block Day or Out of Office works well. If the date isn't correct, use the date picker to set the single day you want to reserve. Turn on the all-day option. This covers the entire 24-hour period without specific start and end times. If you accidentally see times, toggling all day removes them and aligns the event across the full date. If you work across time zones, take a quick look at the time zone indicator at the bottom of the panel to make sure it's set correctly, which helps avoid gaps or spillover into adjacent days. Before you save, set how you appear to others. Find the Show As or Status field and change it to Busy or Out of Office. Choose Busy when you're working, but don't want meetings scheduled over that day. Choose Out of Office when you're truly away. It stands out visually, and, in many organizations, can prevent new meetings from being booked during that time or automatically decline conflicting invites. If you manage multiple calendars, confirm you're saving to the right one using the calendar selector. You can also add a short note, set the reminder to none if you don't want alerts, or mark the event as private so only your availability is visible to others who have access to your calendar. When everything looks good, select Save. You'll see a solid all-day bar across the top of that date. This confirms the day is blocked. To make changes later, open the event to switch the status, rename it, adjust the date, or delete it to free the day. These same steps work similarly in the mobile Outlook app if you need to do it on the go.